In this video, we will look at how to add a new web item to an existing Jira instance. A web item is a link that can be added to any of the user accessible locations. Start by entering the command atlas create Jira plugin. We will now define the group ID, artifact ID, and the version of the plugin. Press Y to confirm. The Atlas SDK will have now created a directory with the name of the artifact ID. We now have a new directory called WordPress link, which is the artifact ID that we entered. And it has also created a plugin skeleton, which we will be using. Open the plugin skeleton using an IDE of your choice. In this case, I'm using IntelliJ IDEA. Open the project that we just created using an IDE of your choice. The pom.xml file will have all the details of your plugin, like the name, the description, and the developer details. When we look at the source directory, the Atlassian plugin.xml file is where we define all the plugin modules that we want to package along with our Jira plugin. We will now proceed to add a new plugin module, that is a web item plugin module. Going back to the terminal, I will now run the command atlas create Jira plugin module. This command lists all the different plugin modules available, and in our case, we will be choosing number 25, which is the web item plugin module type. Enter a name for your plugin module. Enter the section or the location where you'd like the link to appear. In this case, I will add it to the top navigation bar of Jira. Enter the link which you'd like the link to redirect to. And select No for advanced setup. Going back to our Atlassian plugin.xml file, you'll see that the command that we just ran has automatically added the web item plugin module to our Atlassian plugin.xml file. It contains the URL that we'd like the link to redirect to, and it also contains a description. Let us now run the plugin and see what it looks like. Let us now run the plugin and see what the web item looks like. Run the command atlas-debug in your terminal. The atlas-debug command provides a local instance of Jira running on your local host. You can access it using the URL localhost port 2990/Jira. You will now see a new web item that we added in our Atlassian plugin.xml file. Clicking on the web item will redirect you to the URL specified in the Atlassian plugin.xml file. If you would like to change the label that appears on the web item, go to the properties file in your resources directory and change the label to something more meaningful. We will now redeploy the plugin to see the changes that we made using the atlas CLI command. Run the command pi to install the latest version of the plugin that we just modified. You will see that the pi command uploaded the new version of the plugin to localhost Jira. Refresh the page and you will see that the web item has been updated with the new name. And that's how we write web items to Jira. Thank you.